Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, so somebody posted on the Facebook community over here in Forney that they were throwing some good stuff away, some electronics and a grill. I thought it was gonna be a big grill, but it's one of those little ones, expensive, George Foreman. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can use that or clean it. And it was this couple that they were just cleaning their garage and cleaning some stuff. And it's pretty funny because on Tuesday night I went scrapping at night and I got some stuff from there. So it was pretty cool that it was the same people, and I talked to the guy that day, so it's nice. I'm gonna get rid of this probably today, if not today, tomorrow. And that's what I did last time for scrapping, Tuesday and Wednesday. Let me show you what else I got, and we will look at the electronics together. Oh yeah, and that Christmas tree, they're taking my scrap yard. And then that weed whacker, I don't know if it's any good, but I will try it and try to fix it. They posted it like a few minutes ago, and when I saw it, my wife told me about it, and I jumped on it, and it was like 2 minutes away from my house. So let's go look what's in here. A Ooter box. Those things are pretty cool to have. And these boxes are just empty. I wish that they weren't, because here's an iPhone 4, pretty cool. A charger for a phone, I guess it's a older model. A bunch of cords, a bunch of stuff. Another little thing for a cover for a phone. What is this? Battery charger. I guess he charges batteries. Found a phone. Pretty cool. Wires, more wires. Found a camera, I think, an older one. Oh yeah, video camera, Panasonic, baby. I don't know if it works, but we will check it out. Probably will have the cords in there too. Alrighty, let me try to move this box. Alrighty, over here is a keyboard, some Ethernet cable. Oh yeah, hard drive. Nice hard drive right here. Let's see how many gigabytes. I'll leave it there. So this is our computer stuff. Nice card. Seems it's copper plated. Go fingers. Diablo backup. Video games, Windows. Oh, there's a tiny little bug in there. Mouse. A switch. Microsoft Office 97. And what else? And I guess a drive. CD drive. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm gonna load this back again. See what's in the car. I have to unload it to go get this stuff. So I can go do a scrap run. Like always, this is Jerry. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like, and talk to you next time.